we got a 2022 Ram T-Rex truck. It's got the 6.2 supercharged. We're doing a complete service on it. The first one, 4,000 miles on it. This customer likes bringing it here. Doesn't really trust the dealers. That's what we're here for. Any kind of car you have, we'll fix it for you. On the T-Rex, a lot of people will forget about this, but this has a oil cooler. You can see right here, you want to drain that too, because there's dirty oil in that. We've got to get all the dirty oil out and get the fresh Mobil 1 in there. Wrapped up that TRX, did the regular service on it. Everything was ready to go. Customer picked it up. Looks like he's going to be looking into some upgrades on that soon. I'm sitting here inside a 2018 Range Rover HSE Sport model. Customer came in, even though it's a few years old, wants brand new wheels and tires. We got some brand new rubber Pirelli, and we got some Ashantis coming on. Bronco's out right now trying to compete with this bad boy. Jeeps, you can't go wrong with it, you know. Best 4x4. You can see this one here has done a lot of good stuff on it. Bulletproof bumper. I've got a Smitty built winch, 10,000 pound, steel cable, electric remote control. You gotta have this when you're out doing some 4x4.